with melancholy tinted on her face. The morning hue of a lilac's grace. In the rain she grieves with quiet plea, lamenting, wandering just like me. I yearn to meet on the somber stroll, a maiden with the soul of a soulful soul. She'd harbor hues of lilac bloom, the scent of sorrow, perfumed gloom. As she silently comes nearer with a sighing gaze, her presence fleeting like a lilac's dreamy haze. Beside me drifts this lady through the dreamscape wide, silent in her movement, yet overwhelmingly implied. Yet overwhelmingly implied. Hues of lilac bloom, the scent of sorrow, perfumed gloom. She then moves away, farther to the crumbling fence, walking through this rainy lane, her absence intense. In the rain's lament, her color fades into the night. Her fragrance, her sigh-like look, her melancholy lie. With my paper umbrella alone I wander in this extended lane. Long, long and deserted, where the rain sings of pain. I hope for one, like lilac, bound in mournful grace. A maiden, wrapped in sorrow, vanishing without. With my paper umbrella alone I wander in this extended lane. Long, long and deserted, where the rain sings of pain. I hope for one, like lilac, bound in mournful grace. A maiden, wrapped in sorrow, vanishing without a trace.